Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change your home address on Google Maps in Android step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your Android phone and open the Google Maps app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the main menu. Step 3. Inside the menu, scroll until you see the Settings option. Go ahead and tap on that. Step 4. Once in the settings, find and select the option labeled Edit Home or Work. This will allow you to update your saved home address. Step 5. Now, tap on the Home option. This will bring up a few ways to set or update your home location. Step 6. Next, look for the option that says Choose on Map and tap on it. Step 7. Finally, move the map to your desired location where you want to set your home address. Once you're satisfied with the location, select Save and then tap Done to finish. And that's it. You've successfully changed your home address on Google Maps in Android. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.